Hi guys, welcome to my presentation of Class Dojo. As you can see, I have two classes here already under my name from Towson. I chose a teacher at Towson University so I could show you more of the features. You can choose to be a student as well, but choosing to be a teacher will allow me to show you more of the features. So there's a demo class here, and then there's a homeroom class, which I made, so I'll show you this. And as you can see, I have 7 students here in the classroom. And if you click on the whole class, you can look at the goals. There's 7 goals that we want to work on as a class, which are helping others, being on task, participating, persistence, teamwork, hard work, and you can even add more skills like being on task, or add different icons, whatnot. It's a cute little website, and you can even import other other skills. And these are just the skills for the teachers. I mean, you can look at parent support. Obviously, I'm not connected with any parents because it's a fake account, but had this been real, you can send out invites to parents. Say I wanted to invite Benjamin Franklin's parents to something, to a conference. I'd just write their email or phone in here and then click invite. Students, same way, just click on them. You gotta, and then connect them to the parent. So, and then this should show the whole class. Yep, this is my fourth grade in quotations classroom, and these are the skills they're working on once again. Teacher, me, and needs work. So needs work section is the section I could use to like add skills that they need work on building. So right now, my students, they don't need work on building many skills because they're good students. So like, let's look at some of the features, view reports. So 100% positive, that just shows that I didn't give any of my students negative demerits because I gave one of my students, Ella Thompson, a point for being productive, I want to say. See, and you can look at, if you look here in the top left, parent accounts and student accounts, it'll show your connections, and down here it'll show how all the students are stacking up compared to each other. Now, only the teacher can see this. This isn't something that students can see. So it's not like a competitive game. So here I gave Ella 1 mark for participation. Now if I were to give James 1 mark for on task, or Ben, I'm sorry, so Ben would get 1 point for being on task. Now let's say Addison is acting up, and she needs to be better building teamwork. I'm gonna give her, oh, excuse me, give her a negative point, I would believe. Well, that seems to not be working. Needs work skill. See here, now you click, let's say she was off task. You can click how many negative points you get. So let's say off task is -2 points. Off task, -2 points. Now let's give it, save it. Now let's say Addison was off task. She would get -2. -2 points. So you can show these to students. As a classroom to show who's setting good examples, who's not, why they're setting good examples, why they're not setting good examples. So we can go back and look at the reports. They should be different now. See, now it's only 60% positive because Addison was off task. Over here it shows. And it'll give you a pie chart of her being off task, but she got 1 point for helping others. It's a very interactive, kid-friendly, user-friendly website that I think would go a long way in helping stay organized in class while keeping a fun class going. It helps with communication with children, helps communicate what their needs are, what strengths and goals are, helps communicate with parents, and I just think it's a great tool to use for a classroom.